Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. You will need your dry erase board, your dry erase marker, and your eraser. And you will need that a little later in the video, but go ahead and pause this video and get those things so that you can be ready for when we need them. Okay, just set your dry erase board, marker, and eraser off to the side because we will be using those in just a couple of minutes. But to begin with, we're going to do a little activity where you just need to watch and listen. Look at this word. This letter is S. Do you remember what sound S makes? S makes S. This letter is I. Do you remember what sound I makes? I. Let's blend those two together. Ready? With me. S. I. S. S isn't a word yet, so we have to add this letter to it. This is a T. Do you remember what sound T makes? T makes T. So we have sit. Sit. That's the word sit, like we sit in a chair. Now watch. I'm going to take the I away. And I'm going to replace it with an A. We're only changing the middle sound of this word. So we have S, A, Sa, T, Sat. Sat. That's like I sat on the couch a little while ago. So just changing the I to an A, we get a whole new word. Okay, now I'm going to write a couple of words and we're going to talk about them. Look at these words. We have that T sound, T, ip, tip. And this one is T, app, tap. Now these are two words. Two different words, two different meanings. We have tip, like you're going to tip something over, and we have tap, like you're going to tap something. And I was tapping my computer there. So, what letters are the same in these words? Which ones are the same? We have this letter. What's it called? It is called a T. T is the same in both. What about the ending letter? What letter name is that? We've talked about it. It is a P. P is the same letter. Now, which letters are different? Which letters are different here? Our middle sound is different. What is this? It is an I. And what is this? It is an A. Okay, I'm going to do two more words and we're going to talk about them. Look at these words. We have p, it, pit, and p, at, pat. Which letters are the same? We have this letter. Do you remember what it is? The beginning letter? It is a P. The P is a letter that is the same in both words. What about this letter that ends both words? The ending letter. What is it called? It is called a T, and it makes the T sound. So both words begin with the P, and they end with the T, T. But it's the middle sound, again, that's different. We have the I that makes the I sound, and we have the A that makes the I sound. Remember, I and A are special types of letters called vowels. And just changing those middle sounds can change a lot. And then the S, the P, and the T were consonants. And we will learn more about those as we go on. Just remember the I and the A are vowels, and the other letters S, P, and T are consonants. This is the part of the video where you need your dry erase board, your marker, and your eraser. So go ahead and pause the video and get those, and then you can come back and see me. Now, in this part, we're going to do something a little bit different than we have been doing. Usually, I give you the letter or the sound, and you just tell me the sound. Okay, today, I'm going to give you the letter, and you're going to try to write the letter. So I'm going to give you the letter sound, and you're going to try to write the letter. Okay, let's practice one. Which letter makes the I sound? Use your dry erase board and write which letter makes the I sound. I know you don't have the lines, you just have the plain one, and that's fine. You can still write it. Did you write the letter I for the I sound? Let's try another one. Which letter makes the S sound? Which letter makes the S sound? Did you write the letter S? Because S makes the S sound. Here's another one. Which letter makes the P sound? Which letter makes the P sound? Did you write the letter P? Because P makes the P sound. Are you ready to try another one? Which letter makes the T sound? Which letter makes the T sound? Did you write the letter T? Because T makes the T sound. Okay, here's another one. Which letter makes the M sound? Which letter makes the M sound? Are you thinking about it? Did you write the letter M? Because M makes the M sound. Here's the last letter, and then we're going to start doing words. Ready? Which letter makes the A sound? Which letter makes the A sound? Did you write the letter A? Because A makes the A sound. Okay, now we are going to work on doing some words, okay? We are going to do the first one together. Let's do the word it. It, when I break it apart, sounds like it has two sounds. We have I and we have T. It. Which letter makes the I sound? I is at the beginning, so the beginning sound is the one we want first. Which sound makes, or which letter makes the I sound? The I makes the I sound. Which letter makes the T sound? Which letter makes the T sound? We have I, T. The T makes the T sound. And since it's one word, we write them really close together. We're not going to do I here and T clear over there on the space. It's a word, so the two letters live close together. Let's do another one. Sit. Sit. First, in our mind, we need to break it apart, and I will help you. It. It. I hear three sounds in that word. What sound do we hear first? It. We hear that S sound. Remember, that's the Sammy the Snake sound. Which letter makes the S sound? It is the S. So if we are writing the word sit, S comes first because the S sound comes first. S, it. What's that I in the middle? What is that sound? Which letter is that? Which letter up here makes the I sound? The I. So we would write I. S, it, t, st. T is our last sound in sit. So which letter makes the T sound? It's the T. So if I told you to spell the word sit, you would sound it out in your head. S, it, s, it, and you'd write the word sit. Let's try another one. We have sip. Now that's very close to sit. Sip. S makes the S sound. I. What letter makes the I sound? I. And now we have the P. Sip. We have P at the end of it. Which letter makes the P sound? The P. Sip. Did you write that? You should be writing it with me. That's part of this video. You have to do this with me because I need you to practice this. Let's try another one. Tip. 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 Which letter makes the T sound? That would be the T. It. That middle sound, the I. What sound makes the I? What letter makes that sound? The I. And what letter makes the P sound? The P. Tip. Tip. And we wrote those letters close together because in words the letters live close together. Let's do another one. This is the last one. Ready? Tap. Tap and tip are very close together. Tap. T, t, t. What sound? What letter makes that sound? The T. T. Ah. Listen to that sound. Ah. Which letter makes that sound? It's the ah. The A. That's the letter sound for A. Which letter makes the P sound? T. App. We need that. Which letter up here makes the P sound? It's the P. P is the P sound. So tap, app. If you were writing it, you would write TAP, and you would write those letters close together because the letters and words live what? They live close together. Okay, thank you for doing this activity with me today, boys and girls. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.